Hey everybody, Dr. Frost again. You know, we're starting a video series called From Head to Toe, Aches. Today we're starting with the first episode, headaches. Two types of headaches, most common that everybody knows about, of course, are migraine and tension, what we call muscle contraction headaches. Those by far are the most common, so that's what we're going to start with today. So, what's a tension headache? Typically they're caused by posture stress. You experience them at the back of the head, right, at the base of your neck. And you may experience what we call a ram's head headache that comes up and over to the front, or it may feel like a tight band around your head. Either way, there's some things that you can do to treat these very easily. I call it stop, drop, and distract. So first of all, stop doing the thing that's causing it in the first place. So if it's your posture or if it's stress, I want you to stop, get into a quiet, dark space. The second thing I want you to do, if it's possible, drop. Get horizontal, lay down. I want you, when we're in pain, we breathe a little more rapidly. I want you to start breathing a little more normally. Focus for about 15 to 30 seconds on returning your respiration to normal. Third thing I want you to do is to distract. So that means add a cold compress to the back of your neck, maybe a menthol gel rub to the back of your neck. Second thing you can do is those areas that are irritated, you can use circular motion if it's at the base of your skull, and just rub those irritated areas with circular motions for about 3 to 5 seconds. If it's in the temples, use the palm of your hand 3 to 5 seconds along the temple. So very easy. The third thing you can do is during headaches, we typically are dehydrated. So drink water. Take a glass of water, drink it slowly, and rehydrate yourself. There's 3 simple, easy things that you can do. I hope this helps. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.